Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce migraines with Excedrin, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the type of migraine you are experiencing. Consider tracking the frequency and intensity of your migraines in a journal. Check the ingredients in Excedrin to ensure you're not allergic to any of them. Read the dosage instructions on the package carefully. Consult your healthcare provider before starting treatment with Excedrin. Take Excedrin as soon as you feel a migraine coming on for the best results. Swallow the tablets whole with a full glass of water. Avoid exceeding the recommended dosage, as this can lead to side effects. Monitor your migraine symptoms to see if Excedrin effectively alleviates your pain. If relief is not achieved within 2 hours, you may take an additional dose, adhering to the guidelines. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day. Limit your caffeine intake if you're using Excedrin, as it contains caffeine. Incorporate relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation, during a migraine episode. Keep a consistent sleep schedule to improve your overall migraine management. Identify and avoid known migraine triggers in your environment and lifestyle. Track your response to Excedrin over several migraines for more accurate insight. Consult your healthcare provider if migraines persist, ensuring proper treatment adjustments can be made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.